Top 7 kinetic gadgets to blow your mind off. Let's start. Number 1. Levitating moon lamp. The levitating moon lamp is a mesmerizing piece of technology that combines art, science, and whimsy. This remarkable lamp features a 3D printed moon that appears to float effortlessly above its magnetic base. The moon rotates and changes color, creating a captivating visual effect. Powered by magnetic induction, the lamp uses an electromagnet to levitate the moon, making it a unique and enchanting addition to any room. The brightness of this hanging moon lamp is adjustable. The moonlight has a nice light but not too bright, allowing your kids to sleep. It's very soft lighting, while it may take a bit of patience to balance initially. Once set up, the levitating moon lamp becomes a conversation piece that adds a touch of magic to your space. You can charge up the large moon lamp and carry it anywhere. It takes 3 to 4 hours to fully charge the moonlight, saving you money on batteries. There are 16 colors available for this rotating moon nightlight. The colors can be adjusted to your kids' current needs, capturing their attention and calming them before bedtime when watching the moon lamp rotate. Whether you're a space enthusiast or simply appreciate beautiful design, this lamp is sure to delight both kids and adults alike. Number 2. Mesm Globe. The Mesm Globe is a captivating kinetic desk toy made of aerospace-grade aluminum. When stationary, it appears as a simple metal orb engraved with a helix. However, when you give it a spin, the surface seems to magically melt into liquid metal, creating a mesmerizing 3D optical illusion. It's the perfect desk companion for boosting focus, relieving stress, or simply playing around during work hours. You can simply relax, keep focused, relieve stress, and even find it helpful for autism. Its mind-bending illusion with continuous, silent, and smooth rotation offers an outlet for restless hands, allowing your mind to focus on the task in front of you. Spin it silently with a twist of your fingers and enjoy the continuous flow of its hypnotic effect. Its material is aluminum alloy with a helix-shaped groove milled alongside the whole surface. Designed to spin on any flat surface, the rotating base equipped with a bearing guarantees a smooth and silent spin as well as long-lasting performance. Available in various colors, the Mesm Globe adds a touch of creativity to any office space, whether modern or classy. Number 3. Newton's Cradle. Introducing Newton's Cradle, renowned for its unparalleled swing performance. This gadget features 7 precisely aligned balls that deliver an impressive 50-60 inches of swing time, achieved through meticulous cleaning to eliminate dust and ensure optimal performance. We stand by our commitment to provide a consistent 50-second swing. If not met, a full refund is available without the need for return. Number 4. Magnetic Decision Maker. The Calend Magnetic Decision Maker is a fun and useful joke toy meant to help people make decisions when they aren't sure what to do. This cute gadget has a small ball that gracefully swings around a circular track decorated with different possible answers. It looks like a pendulum. When you're stuck, all you have to do is ask your question, let go of the ball, and watch with interest as it slowly slows down and lands on one of the answers. There are many choices like yes, maybe, definitely, no way, try again, and ask a friend. Not only is this small decision maker a fun distraction, but it's also an interesting way to get clear on both big life decisions and small daily ones. Whether you're thinking about deep existential questions or just want to have fun, the Calend Magnetic Decision Maker promises to be a fun and interesting way to deal with uncertainty. This makes it a great toy for both quiet moments of thought and spontaneous fun. Number 5. Kinetic Galaxy. Introducing the Toysmith Kinetic Orbits toy. When you spin the cone, it sets off 5 mesmerizing metal orbits that move, making a stunning show of kinetic art. This educational toy is 11.5 inches tall, making it great for showing off on desks or tabletops. It's great for young scientists and astronomy fans. Assembly is easy and clear. Full instructions are included to make sure everything goes smoothly. Please remember that it needs 2 AA batteries to work. Batteries not included. Number 6. Cruise Ship. Fluid Drift Bottle. The Esri Acrylic Iceberg. cruise ship decoration is a captivating display piece that combines artistry with nautical aesthetics. This liquid motion ornament features an outer material crafted from acrylic, with the Titanic and iceberg intricately designed from resin. Filled with a blend of pure water and vegetable oil, this unique combination ensures it remains unsinkable. Designed for natural stress relief, its slow, mesmerizing movement, vibrant colors, and smooth droplets help children and adults alike refocus, release stress or anxiety, and find a soothing rhythm. Whether at home or in the office, its leak-proof and durable design, expertly sealed from top to bottom by special supplies, means it can withstand kids shaking or knocking it over without any concerns about spills or messes. This versatile cruise ship ornament is suitable for placement in your car, bedroom, living room, or on a computer desk, and can even serve as an elegant dining table centerpiece. Please avoid placing it in direct sunlight or extreme heat, as this may cause damage. Number 7. Limbo Top. The Forever Spin. Titanium. Spinning top is a piece of art that will stand the test of time because it combines superior craftsmanship with precision engineering. This spinning top is made from pure titanium and has been machined to perfection with great care and attention to detail. Its strong strength-to-weight ratio enables it to have outstanding spin times, making it an excellent choice for performing stunning spins in the opposite direction. It has a diameter of 1.125 inches and a height of 1.4 inches, making it a piece that is both compact and intriguing, with the potential to be handed down from generation to generation. This Forever Spin Titanium. Spinning top is a fascinating option for anyone interested in the mechanics of spinning tops. Whether they are collectors looking for desk decor that helps them concentrate or simply curious about the concept. Thanks for watching.